My name is Chimanimani. I'm 23 and I'm training to be a mountain and a bird guide. I'm a guy from Chimanimani. As we were growing up, we were struggling from getting jobs. We need food, and I also take care of my grandmother. So all those challenges you cannot afford without being busy. When I met Jane, I think it was around 2015 when she introduced guiding. But that's when I started doing birding, and from there up to now, I'm still proceeding in the training program. The career is really good for me. Doing birding, just birding itself, is one of the good things that's keeping me healthy. When we are out in the bush, we'll be just concentrating on what we are doing at that time. I'll totally, forget about all other things, other stresses, listening to the birds, listening to the, even the wind. So just listening to the silence and the voice of the nature. I'm still, training myself, so it's something I do every single day. Firstly, what I was doing was to just listen to the call and try to see the bird. Perfect strike. I'm going like tick 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 tick. It's other call. It goes a click first and then so it goes like. Since from that time, I'm teaching myself on how to imitate some of the birds, how to get more deeper into birds. I'm trying by all means to inspire all the youth and all the people around the community to see what we are really doing is really important, and it's really worth the time that we are taking doing it. When I'm well recognized as a bird guide, I know there will be more people coming to Chimanimani. If more people come in, the community can benefit from the work, as well as opening birding programs so that we can expand it even from Chimanimani to a national level. To me, it means a lot to have someone to help. It means a lot more than love. There was absolutely no one in Chimanimani being a bird guide. The courses and trainings and places that we go for those experiences is very expensive, and around here no one could afford to do that. To know you are the first person to do something, it really makes you proud, but with less pride. Those guys are stars. I can tell you, you guys, you're stars. Thank you for everything, and I appreciate. I just wish if you were here so that you can see how hard I'm working to not let you down, guys.